We've just acquired this BMW 640 diesel M Sport. It's a really nice, quick, fast one with a big M style body styling kit. So you've got the nice alloy wheels, all unmarked, running on Goodyear Eagle tyres. Bodywork is in fantastic condition throughout. Got rear park distance control. Boots in lovely condition with carpet mats. It's obviously got electric windows and mirrors. It's got heated memory leather seats, M Sport steering wheel, full leather interior. If you go inside the car, it's done 119,123 miles. It's push start, heated seats, 3-stage, paddle shift on the gearbox if you want to change it that way manually, cruise control, over to the iDrive, got satellite navigation, Bluetooth streaming, media, that's also Bluetooth streaming I believe, hill descent, sport or comfort mode to driving. You've got your AUX and USB points in there. Lovely leather dashboard. It really does not show its age or mileage at all. It is superb condition. Drives fantastic. Automatic headlights. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.